16 July 2020. Welcome to another episode of Audio News, a new initiative taken by We4U to provide news in audio format for visually impaired. So let's begin. The Railways Minister Piyush Goyal has announced India's first cable-stayed railways bridge, Anji Khad Bridge, to connect Katra and Riyasi in Jammu and Kashmir. This bridge, being developed by Konkan Railway Corporation Limited (KRCL). This bridge is as a part of the Udhampur, Srinagar, Baramulla Rail Link US BRL project. The total length of the bridge is 473.25 meters. It has the support of 96 cables and has been designed to handle heavy storms of strong winds. Next, Defence Acquisition Council (DAC) has entrusted capital procurement powers to armed forces. The decision was taken during the special meeting of the Defence Acquisition Council held under the chairmanship of the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. With this, the armed forces will now be able to progress urgent capital acquisition cases up to 300 crore rupees to fulfill their emergent operational requirements. Next, the Indian Railways has launched a new state-of-the-art post-COVID coach in an effort to prevent the spread of COVID-19 virus infection. The Indian Railways Production Unit, Rail Coach Factory, Kapurthala, has developed this new post-COVID coach. The salient features of the post-COVID coach are hands-free amenities, copper-coated handrails and latches, plasma air purification, and titanium dioxide coating for COVID-free passenger journey. Next, on July 15, 2020, the Union Minister of State for Defence, Shri Shripad Yasso Nayak, has inaugurated the 5th edition of the Conference on Aerospace and Defence Manufacturing Technologies. The conference was held with the theme Empowering India with Atmanirbhar Bharat Mission. Tamil Nadu Technology Development and Promotion Centre (TNT DPC) jointly organized the conference with Society of Indian Defence Manufacturers (SIDM) and the Confederation of Indian Industry (CII). On July 15, 2020, the Union Minister of Food Processing Industries Harsimrat Kaur Badal inaugurated the Digital Indo-Italian Business Mission on Food Processing. The mission will focus on key areas such as fruits and vegetables, milk, cereals, dairy processing, bottling and packaging. Next, the United Nations recently released the State of Food Security and Nutrition Report. The report was prepared by Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO), International Fund for Agricultural Development (IFAD), World Health Organization (WHO), World Food Programme (WFP), and UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. Next, on July 15, 2020, the 15th India-European Union Summit was held through video conferencing. The summit aims to strengthen ties between India and European Union. PM Modi addressed the summit. Under the summit, India and European Union agreed to boost their ties in the areas of defense, trade and investment. They agreed to launch a dialogue on maritime security. Next, on July 15, 2020, the Drug Controller General of India DCGI approved the first indigenously developed pneumococcal polysaccharide conjugate vaccine. The vaccine was developed by Serum Institute of India. the DCGI has approved Serum Institute to conduct Phase 1, Phase 2 and Phase 3 clinical trials of pneumococcal polysaccharide conjugate vaccine in the country. Next, Chief Minister Navin Patnaik launched the plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19 patients on 15 July 2020 at the 3 dedicated COVID-19 hospitals, including KIMS and some in Bhubaneswar and Ashwini in Cuttack, Odisha. The government-run Sri Ramchandra Bhanja Medical College and Hospital, SCB Medical College at Cuttack, will be the nodal center for plasma therapy in the state. Sri Navin Patnaik insisted upon already recovered patients to donate plasma after a week and save 2 lives. Now, let's have a look at some facts for today. On July 16, 1969, at 7:02 p.m., Apollo 11 was launched, carrying Commander Neil Armstrong, Command Module Pilot Michael Collins, and Lunar Module Pilot Edwin Buzz Aldrin. Apollo 11 was the first manned mission to land on the moon. The first steps by human was taken on another planetary body. Now, some important facts about our solar system. Our galaxy is Milky Way galaxy or Akash Ganga, and it is spiral in shape. The biggest planet is Jupiter, smallest planet is Mercury, nearest planet to Sun is Mercury, farthest planet from Sun is brightest planet is Venus, brightest star after Sun is Sirius, planet with maximum number of satellites is Jupiter, hottest planet is Venus, heaviest planet is Jupiter, red planet is Mars, biggest satellite in our solar system is Ganymede and it belongs to planet Jupiter, smallest satellite is Deimos and it belongs to planet Mars. Blue planet is Earth, morning or evening star is Venus, green planet is Neptune, planet with a big red spot is Jupiter. So with this, we will conclude our today's episode. Thank you all.